Welcome to this tutorial on implementing an LRU cache. This is a very popular interview question and a fundamental concept in system design. In this video, we will break down exactly how it works and how to design it efficiently. First, let us understand what a cache is. A cache is a temporary storage layer that sits between your application and your main data source, like a database. It is smaller but much faster, allowing for quick retrieval of frequently accessed data. Since a cache has limited space, we need a strategy to decide what to keep and what to remove when it gets full. LRU stands for least recently used. The rule is simple. If we need to free up space, we remove the item that has not been used for the longest time. An LRU cache primarily supports two operations: get, which retrieves a value, and put, which inserts or updates a value. Crucially, every time we access an item via get or put, it becomes the most recently used item. The real challenge in this problem is performance. We want both the get and put operations to run in constant time, or O of 1. This means the speed of our cache should not slow down as we add more items. You might think of using a simple array. While arrays allow fast access by index, removing an item from the beginning or middle requires shifting all other elements. This takes O of n time, which is too slow for our needs. What about a linked list? Adding and removing nodes is fast, but finding a specific item requires scanning the list one by one. This searching process is also O of n, which is not efficient enough. To achieve O of 1 for both operations, we combine two data structures. We use a HashMap for fast lookup and a doubly linked list for fast reordering. This hybrid approach gives us the best of both worlds. Here is how it looks. The HashMap stores keys mapped to specific nodes in the linked list. The doubly linked list maintains the order of usage. The head represents the most recently used item, and the tail represents the least recently used item. When we perform a put operation, if the key exists, we update it and move it to the head. If it is new, we create a node and add it to the head. If the cache is full, we simply remove the node at the tail, which is the least recently used one. For the get operation, we first check the HashMap. If the key exists, we return the value, but importantly, we also disconnect that node from its current position and move it to the head of the list to mark it as recently used. In summary, by using a HashMap, we get constant time access, and by using a doubly linked list, we get constant time ordering. This powerful combination allows us to build a highly efficient LRU cache.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.